Today we are taking a quick walking tour of Salt, the 1991 Russell Yachts 47 Centerboard Ketch as she sits here in Fort Walton Beach. This is a very rare opportunity for you to get a boat that only drafts 30 inches, can go anywhere in the world, and take you and your significant other wherever you want to go. She sports a 6-year-old Yanmar turbo diesel engine, a newer generator, newer stack packs and canvas and sails, as well as new Omni batteries in the last 2 years. This is a hand-built boat for Russell Yachts. There are not many of them out there, and she shines. She's owned by a true yachtsman. What you're doing is able to carry on the tradition of traveling wherever you want to go. Thank you for taking the time to take the quick walking tour of Salt, the 1991 Russell Yachts 47 Centerboard Ketch.